The first new technology I choose is Digital Dialects. It is a Chinese language learning, but with games. The Mandarin Chinese learning materials on Digital Dialects are free to use, do not require any forms of registration or the provision of contact or personal information. Digital Dialects was developed for language students of various ages and learning styles. I choose this website for the basic level Chinese language students. Teachers can also use the language learning materials in Mandarin classroom or set as a homework assignment. This website provides you with games to learn Chinese pinyin easily, which include the numbers, the daily greeting phrases, colors, fruit and veggies, animals, days and months, and all the daily basic vocabularies. The vocabulary practice game includes pinyin, Chinese characters, and audio options. Next, I will demonstrate how to use this website. We can pick the fruit and veggies. I will click fruit and veggies. We need to learn the words first. 草莓 First one is a pinyin, the next one is the Chinese characters. Here is the English meaning. Then we can go next one. 蘑菇 pinyin characters and English meaning. 番茄 that's pinyin characters and English meanings. After you finish learning, we can play the games. See, it has three options. We can play with the pinyin without audios. Okay, here's a lot of fruits here. Then first coming out pinyin is 苹果, that means apple. We need to find the apple and click it. If it's correct, it will go. Next one is 橘子, that means orange. We find the 橘子, then click it. If it's correct, it will go. Then we can switch to another option. We can play the game with Chinese characters without audios. Okay, here it comes 苹果, the Chinese characters. That also means apple. When you find the apple picture, click it, it will go. Next one is 橙, that means orange. When you find the orange, click it, it will go. 草莓, that means strawberry. Find the strawberry picture, click it, it will go. Okay, we will switch to the audio play games. Play games with audio, that means no pinyin, no characters, click it. Play. 苹果, that means apple. When you find and click the apple, it will go. 橘子, when you find the orange, click it, it will go. 草莓, strawberry, find strawberry, click it, it will go. 柠檬, find the 柠檬, click it, it will go. Okay, that is how to play the games. Okay, this is the digital dialects.